Techies, welcome to BiharGeeks. So today we are going to solve a very exciting problem, that is top K frequent elements. Okay, so this problem is super useful in real life for like a task for finding the most search terms or the trending hashtag. So let's dive in and do it. Okay, so what's the problem is here? The problem is very simple. We have given an array. Okay, as you see that there is an array and we have a k. So as you see in the example that we have one that is repeated by three times and two is repeated by two times and three is the single. And here, as the question mentioned, that we have to return the most frequent elements. So here you see that the k size is 2, so that's why we're returning two elements. Okay, and now the most frequent element is 1 and 2, because 1 is repeating by 3 times and 2 is repeating by 2 times. And with example 2, there is only single element, and the most frequent element is like there is only one size, so that's why we're returning only single thing. Okay, fine. Okay, so next thing is that how we are going to approach this. Okay, how we going to solve this? So there will be three steps for this. First, we will count the frequency of the each element which is here. Second will be we will sort by frequency, okay, in the descending order, and then finally we extract the top k elements. Fine. So we will start with the first step. First step will be what? We will use a hash map to store the frequency of each element, and it helps us to count how many times each element appear in the array. Okay, fine. So we will define map here, and key and value teacher comma integer map new hash map. Fine. What we have to do now, we have to iterate. Okay, n num comma nums. Fine. Now what we have to do, we have to put the frequency inside a map. Okay, put comma num comma map dot get or get a default. If we didn't get a value, we will put a default value there. Num comma 0, and we will increment by 1. Okay, fine. So we will have a frequency of each the element here. Okay, next step, what we have to do, we have to sort uh, by the frequency in a descending order. So we need a list. Okay, and list will be of type entry. Okay, so map dot entry, and the both key and value will be of type integer. Fine. Fine. Put the name as entry only. Okay, so new array list. We have array list. Fine. Inside that we will put that map. Okay, so map dot entry. Fine. So we'll have a key and value. Now what we have to do, based on the frequency, we have to sort it in the next step. So what we have to do, entry dot sort, right? And inside this we have to parameter, we have to pass comma p, right? And what we have to do, p dot get value minus a dot get value. Okay, so in this way it will be sorted in a descending order. Finally, we move to the third step, and here we will need a result also. Okay, so we will create a result array. and you know the size will be of type, size will be k. Okay, because based on the top k element, now what we have to do, we have to iterate int I equal to 0, I till we have to move till k. Okay, I plus plus, fine. Now we have to put the result I equal to entry dot get I comma get, we need a keys now, so we are putting it this way, right? So we will get, we have extracted all the top elements. Now at the end what we have to do, we have to return cmp result, fine. So it's returning from here. As you see that I have doing the iteration over here, so the complexity of this case is O of n, right? And here I'm doing the sorting thing, so the complexity of this line is O of n log n. And at the end, when I'm extracting that, the complexity of this line is basically O of k. So overall complexity of this code is O of n log n, right? Let me run this. Okay, it's got accepted. Let me submit it. Fine, it's working. So if you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe to BiharGeeks, and let me know in the comment which problem you would like me to solve in the next time. Until next time, keep coding, keep growing. Happy coding. Bye bye.